it is 1 centimeter, but in millimeter, it is 10 millimeter. But all our rulers is centimeter, right? So we should be 1 centimeter away from the edge of the A2 paper. Do you understand now? So let us draw our borderline very fast, so we can go and get the title block. Do you understand me? Are we done with the borderline? So, are we done with the borderline? Yes. No. Yes. I think the people at the back are saying no. Why those at the front are saying yes? Should I come again? I should come again. I should continue. Okay, for those just coming in, open your manual to page 11. I think some faculties were giving the assignment that they should draw a title block. And for us to get our title block, we have to have the borderline. Your borderline is the first thing you have to draw on your A2 paper. Automatically, you cannot do anything on your A2 paper without borderline. And there is something. Your borderline, please, anytime you want to make any line on your A2 paper, no line should go outside of the borderline. Like for example now, I want to draw. Okay, take a look at this. Are we seeing this? Please, this is your borderline. This is the last place any line on your A2 paper can get. Is that clear? This is very, very low. Any line that is here on your A2 paper, trust me, those any lecturer, they will circle it. It's minus anything they want. Do you understand? They will circle it and it's minus anything you want. So don't let any line go outside your borderline on your A2 paper. Is that clear? And also, I believe we have been told this, but in ME, they don't accept thick line on your ME, except from your borderline. Your borderline can be thick, but not that thick. So when you are drawing, don't let any line on your ME paper be thick. That's why we are advised to get a rotary set. Do you understand? Yes, you can use maset. That's very, very correct. But if you want to use maset, make sure you are getting a thick pencil. Do you understand? Don't get a thick pencil. Get a thick pencil. That anytime you are drawing on your graph, it is going to be neat and smart. Is that clear? So are we done with our borderline? I'm going to continue. So we have to draw a title block. Yes? Are you with me? Please open to your manual. Page 11. Diagram 1.7. Diagram 1.7. So we can see there that the first space on your borderline is the name of the school. Federal University of Technology, Akure. And the next thing is your department. The next thing is your department. Then the next thing is the title. The purpose of the title there is the title of whatever diagram you are drawing on the document. We were told to draw a borderline. So the title there is borderline. So the title block. This assignment we were told to construct a title block. Do you understand? So the title that is going to be on that your title block is title block. Then our name, we all know our name. Please, for example, me now, I am a barrister comrade. Do you like barrister comrade for any lecturer? God bless you, are comrade. If you reach your turn, right comrade. They will not back it. So the name recognized by your school is Abubule Yoluadamola. There's nothing like comrade barrister to lecturers. Is that clear? So it's just your name. And please, don't write Abubule Yoluadamola. The Opayemi there, they want it. Do you understand? So make sure you write your first name, your surname, and your last name. Is that clear? Now the next thing is magic number. Obviously we are freshers, so we don't have a magic number yet. For now, use your registration number. Do you understand? Your JAMB registration number is what is going to be. Is going to be serving as your magic number till you have been given the magic number. And normally magic number is after matriculation. There are some departments that will be lucky enough to get it on the matriculation day. And there are some departments that even before the exam, it is nowhere to be found. Is that clear? So till you have your magic number yet, keep using your registration number. Then drawing number. Then our drawing, for example now, the drawing number here is 1.7, Abi. Right? But it depends on the assignment. My sense class 28 then. The first assignment we were given is drawing 1. The second assignment, drawing 2. Third assignment, drawing 3. Fourth assignment, drawing 4. And please, trust me, you'll be given assignments in all your heavy lectures. Do you understand? You will be given assignments in all your heavy lectures. And luckily for you guys, I think most of us here were given on Tuesday or Wednesday. And we have to submit in the next class, Abi. Trust me, Monday, Abi. I think that is 5 days, 4 days. There are some assignments that you'll be asked to submit in next morning. And trust me, any lecturers, once they say submit 9 AM and your class is taking it there, 9:01, they will not collect it. Do you understand? So once they told you to submit your assignment 9 AM, they are expecting you to bring it anything before 9:00. Because when you are bringing it 9:01, they will not collect it. The dimension here, we used to snub it. Now, dimension. Just know the dimension. Leave it blank. Is that clear? Number of also. It is just like the number of diagram that you are drawing inside your A2 paper. There are some assignment that you have to draw like 10 stuffs on your A2 paper. So that's what you are going to put there. If it is 10, you write number of 10. Is that clear? Scale. There's no need of scale. It is not a graph. Do you understand? Date. The date you were given the assignment is the date that should be on here. Do you understand? I think SLS, we had a class on Tuesday, Abi. Tuesday. What's the date of Tuesday? 5th. I'm not sure, 6th. So the date here is going to be 6th January 2026. Is that clear? Those that were given yesterday, same. I think we had a heavy lecture yesterday, and SOC and fleet. So yesterday is 9th of January. The date that is going to be here is 9th of January 2026. Is that clear? And note, engineering, your title block is different. Engineering, your title block is different. Is that clear? I am going to be explaining the normal regular title block to us now. Then after that, I will explain engineering title block. So if you are in engineering, anything we are explaining now, starting from now, it no concern you. Is that clear? So now, for other faculties except from engineering, I am going to start explaining how our title block is going to be on the diagram here. Is that clear? Okay. Title block, right? Firstly, we have environment for title block. Are you with me? Title block is always 10 by 20 millimeter, which is 2 centimeter by 1 centimeter. Here, also, your title block is always around this corner of your ME. Do you understand? Down right hand side of your ME is where your title block is going to be. Now, everybody, are you with your ruler? Are you with your ruler? Please, from your borderline here, take a measurement of 10, then take it. They change it. They change it. We use 10.
Yes, last year we used 10.
Last year we used 10. So now it is 7, Abi. 7 by that same 20. Take your measurement.
No, 6, Abi.
7 by what?
Hello, calm down. This thing differs in every faculty. Do you hear me? So I think in 6 they use 6 by 20, Abi. SLS and SPS 7 by 20. So which other faculty do 15? Which faculty? No. SLS and SPS, what are you using? 7 by 20. So 6, you are using.
Okay, no. Let me try to understand you guys. Any faculty except from engineering uses 7 by 20. If your faculty is using anything that differs to 7 by 20 or 6 by 20, please raise up your hand.
They said Smith is using 8 by 20. Is it correct? Please know your faculty very well. Don't do
Hello guys.
8 by 20.
Should I explain something to you all? I didn't ME. There's something I noticed about ME. ME is not about the accurate measurement. It's about how you implement your measurement. Do you understand? Do you know you can decide to use 7 by 20 in that your faculty that is using 8 by 20 and you are going to have higher mark than someone that uses the correct one. Number one, they are not measuring it. Are you understanding me? A lecturer that has 1,000 assignments to mark in a day. Are you telling me the lecturer is going to bring out a ruler and start marking it? But I am going to explain it this way. Engineering, You are using 6 by 20, Abi. SLS SPS, you are using 7 by 20, right? Slit SOC, you are using 8 by 20. SOC. What is SOC using? SOC is using 8 by 20. Hello. I remember I was here on Friday, but I did not attend the lecture. I only came to told you guys about the tutorial. Please, SOC and Slit, I am very sure you did the class together. So trust me, anything that SOC is using is the same thing Slit is using. Anything that SLS is using is the same thing SPS is using. Am I correct? Now we don't have argument about SPS and SLS. You guys are using 7 by 20, right? Now SOC. You are in SOC, Abi? You are in Slit. What do you guys use? Okay, so according to him, he said the man made it by telling you guys it is 8 by 20. Then after checking the manual, he said it is 7 by 20, right? So now, any other faculty except from engineering using 7 by 20? Abi? Is there any faculty that is using 8 by 20? No. So any other faculty except from engineering is using 7 by 20. Which one is no? Okay, I am going to continue with 7 by 20. So now, please take your ruler. Now measure 7 from your borderline. Then tick it. Okay. Now measure 20 here. Do you understand? Come here again. From the line here. You know, I told you guys to pick 20 here. So now measure 7. Now all you have to do is connect these 3 lines together. Abi? Okay, now this is the title block we have started. Now,
please hold on. Some people are not measuring their borderline before they draw title block. Measure borderline first, 1 centimeter from the edge of the paper across all the corner, please. It very well.
I told you before you can do anything on your YouTube paper, make sure your borderline is drawn. See, I don't want to know how neat your diagram is. If your borderline is not there, you do no sense. Like, they will not even mark anything. I know engineer told me, all you do is inside the dustbin, ASAP. Do you understand? So please, without your borderline, everything on your head being good is nonsense. So the first thing you do anytime you are in an ME class is draw your borderline and title block. Is that clear? Even before you get to the class, from home, you can draw your borderline and your title block. Then take it. Then, I bought 50 A2 paper, just one night. I drew all my title block and my borderline. So anytime I'm going to a class, all I have to do there is wait for the lecturer, then we start a diagram. And trust me, after the first class, your lecturer is not going to wait for you to draw one title block again. Is that clear? So the first thing you do when you get to your class, even before the lecturer gets to the class, draw your title block and your borderline. So I believe everyone here has drawn your borderline. Except from those that are just coming in. You have drawn a borderline, right? And you understand what I said you should do here. Now, this is it. You know we have 7 centimeters there. Each centimeter, draw a straight line. This, take a look at what I'm going to do now. This, you know we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do you understand me? So now keep 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and surely your 7 is on the borderline, right? So now this 7, you come here again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you connect the lines together. Now, if you are the kind to count the space we have here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now you hear me, manual. The diagram that was there, count the line. 87, right? What do we have here? 7. Now you know, I'm using a big marker, and there is a special line there. I am going to explain with my mouth. And maybe an enemy as an example. Oh, give me your scroll. Okay, now can you all see me? I will use this. We can all see me right. Now, this is a meter rule. Now, this is 1 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter. We can see that we have small lines here. Abi. Now, 1 line. That's why I say you have a very thin pencil. Have a very thin pencil. You know, we already have 7 lines there. And if you can take a look at this one, if you can take a look at this man very well, you see that we have 2 lines up here, three, then 2 down here. Abi, we have 2 here, we have 3 lines here, we have 3 lines here, we have 3 lines here. So now, on each line, you know this small one, take one up, take one down. Each of the lines, let us play here. This line now, you know this is 1 centimeter. Abi, and 1 centimeter. In 1 centimeter, we have 10 millimeter. Abi. So now, you know, 1 millimeter is 10% lower than 1 centimeter. Abi. Right? So now, you are going to take 1 millimeter from here, you measure 1 millimeter, then you draw a straight line. Then this line, you draw 1 millimeter upward, 1 millimeter downward. Same thing till you get here. Then your last line, you draw 1 millimeter upward. Do you understand me? I will come again very fast. This is the first line of your 30 block, Abi. And as I explained, in 1 centimeter, we have 10 millimeter, which is all this small line. If you count it well, it will give you 10 before you get to each one. Abi? So we are going to take 1. This line, you draw 1 millimeter. It is not 1 centimeter. 1 millimeter here under this line. You use your ruler. Do you understand? So here, on this second line, you draw 1 millimeter upward, 1 millimeter downward. You repeat same for here. Repeat it for here, say for here, say for here, say for here, say for here. Then the last one here, you are going to draw 1 millimeter upward. Is that clear? So let us do that very, very fast. Hope you all understood. Please, if you not understood, I introduce some set of people towards the other time. Call them and ask them. Do you understand? Let me come again. Once again. As I said, in 1 centimeter, we have 10 millimeter. Abi, which is all this small line. If you can see our meter rule here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think your own is 30, this one is 80. So, on each line, before we get to 1, we have 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter, 3 millimeter, 4 millimeter, 5 millimeter, till 10 millimeter, which gets us to 1 centimeter. Abi? So now, on each of our lines here, on the first line here, you are going to draw 1 millimeter. Then you are going to draw a straight line on that 1 millimeter. Then the second line here, you draw 1 millimeter upward and 1 millimeter downward. So you repeat it for this, till you get to the last line that is on your title block, that is on your borderline. Do you understand me? You know the last line we have downward is your borderline. So that borderline, you are going to draw 1 millimeter upward. Don't draw it downward. So now, the first one, the last one here, you are only drawing 1 line. You are drawing it inside and inside. You are not drawing it outside or outside. Then, the other 5 lines inside, you are going to draw 1 millimeter upward and 1 millimeter downward. Well, let's do that. If you are from engineering, calm down. Immediately after this one, we are going to explain engineering. Please. And they will explain to you. They are moving around. Is that clear?
Very tight. I used to go, it's going far, serious.
So we have 3 minutes left. Look at your manual very well. Look at the way they like that federal invasion of technology Akure. You can see that it is touching those tail line. I ask you guys to draw. If you are drawing high, the upside is going to touch that tail line and the down line is going to touch that tail line. Now, I'm going to use example for you here. I'll use my name. So now, let us say this is the tail line. In the middle of the first line. You know the difference between look at it, it is touching those lines and Can you see this big? He is touching these two. Can you see this big boss? He is not touching your partner here. Do you understand? So each of your fingers must touch this place and must touch this place. Do you understand? I will come again. Let me use this place. Now, let's just say we want to write FUTA MEE. Can you see that this FUTA is touching this line? Look at this FUTA. Can you see that? Not everything is touching this line, even though some are touching it. This is very, very correct. Why this is not correct? Is that clear? So when you want to write anything on your title block, make sure it is touching those thin lines. I guess that's the importance of the thin line on the title block. Because on the normal day, me myself, I don't know what that thin line is doing here. But you know, we have to follow it. Do you understand? So now, let us write those names. And remember, follow it according to what is in the manual. The first thing is your school name, Federal Network Technology Akure. I don't know if you are from FUTA MEE now, but me, I'm from Federal Network Technology Akure. Your department, I don't know your department, but me, I'm from the Department of Applied Physics. Then the title, as I said earlier, title blog. You write that title, then at the front of the title you write title blog. Then your name, I don't know your name, but me, I know my name is Gabriel. Now, your matric number, you don't have matric number yet. Me, I have matric number. My matric number is blah 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 blah. Say it clear. You want to kill me? I know your relation number is going to be 225, Abi, 225, 40, blah 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 blah. So write it there. Your drawing number, if it's your choice, you can decide to leave it blank. Me, I don't want to write it. Komi, do you understand? Komi Rara, the importance of your title block is not for them to know that it is Abobule Gabriel that have this, and the magic number is OGB/ I will not fall. And the magic number is OGB/ blah blah blah. So now your dimension, you need to know. Number of, right now on this diagram, write 2. Your scale, leave it alone. And the date, as I said earlier, or let us do it like this. Everyone, write today's date. Today is the 10th of January, 2026, right? On the date, write 10/01/2026. Is that clear? So we have just 10 minutes to do that. After 10 minutes, we go to the next assignment. I believe you are done with engineering. Engineering. If you don't know how to draw your borderline, please raise up your hand. I am from engineering. Because engineering people will not sabi any, but not all. Me, I'm not from engineering. I don't know how to give a better explanation about engineering borderline. So please, engineering borderline, it is advisable for you to message Utman. Spam is, I will call his number now. Spam is there, he will explain to you. So I believe we have less numbers of engineering students that don't know how to draw borderline. Please, if you don't know how to draw engineering borderline, please message Utuma with his number 0029575086. He will explain to you. Thank you. Now, please, we have just 10 minutes left. This is 3:14. Immediately this is 3:20. We are going to go to the next assignment. We are going to go to the next assignment. This is 3:14. Please, message the number I called for engineering borderline. Thank you.
Please, if you want to write your department, your faculty, and whether you something like that, don't abbreviate it to write your department name in full and write whether University of Technology Akure. Do you hear me? Don't abbreviate. If I miss it, don't write this page. Write biotechnology and biochemistry. You use your writing. Do you understand? If it's too long, reduce it. It will contain it. Don't abbreviate anything. Do you hear me? Don't abbreviate it. Please go up power bank and you can borrow me. Power bank.
25, how much enough to match the price?
Why you guys just come? Deal with that.
If you are in RSG, you know that your departmental name is long. Just write Remote Sensing and GIS.
Please, there are some departmental names that is very, very long. For example, remote sensing and geoscience. Remote sensing and geoscience. I don't know, some people handwriting is going to be bigger than that school. Somebody like me, Kolibani, I'm too big now, biggest boss. You understand? So, you can put in the abbreviation of your department. Not for everybody. You are in applied geophysics, you want to be writing AGP. He's going to think you are one agricultural course like that. Do you understand? So please and please, there are some departments that are allowed to use it. I don't think you should use it. Use your full department. Because those any lecturer, to be very, very sincere, some of them are having anger issue. Small thing, and they will tear your paper. Do you understand? So it is advisable for you to write your full departmental name. And your registration, this is it, please. Your name and your registration number, use pen to write it. Others use pencil, but your name and your registration number, you don't have a matric number yet, and your registration number, use pen. Do you understand? Okay, now, do you know that I am a candidate of a department now. I have over 200 assignments before me today. Pencil can be easily be played off. And trust me, once one number inside from the registration number, they don't know you again. So the assignment that I use 9th class to do is just go like that. And engineer Toby last year told us that your name and your magic number or registration number, you can use your pen, write it. Is that clear? For those that have used pencil before, clean it and use pen. Advisable, black pen. You can use blue pen too, but advisable, black pen. Okay, sorry, I forgot something. If you check your ME manual very well, you can see that the last three information, the lines is divided to two. Are you understanding me? Now you know that the line is 20 on the normal day. Use 12 by 8. Do you know why? Number one, your magic number is more important than the number of graph. You understand? Your magic number is more important than the number of graph. So use 12 by 8. So you are going to make 12 the longer part and 8 the shorter part. And let me teach you how you are going to do that. Now this is it, Abi. Are you with me? So the same way you guys did this line, I want you to repeat it in the same way you are going to be doing this. So let us say this is 12 now. The three line, you draw it, you draw it, you draw it. Do you understand? But you know that this is a marker. It is going to be very, very, you understand? So make sure you draw a straight line, and you are going to use the same way you use 1 millimeter on this side, 1 millimeter on this side. Use the same way for that line. Do you understand? So please, let's be very fast with that. This is 320 already. This is 321 already. I'm going to be giving us more 4 minutes. Then we'll go to the next assignment. The title is title block. Do you understand? The title is title block. Please, there's no time again. We jump with our title block right now, please. Okay. It is 2. Now, to the next assignment. Everyone, open your MA manual to page 33. We are still going to that. This is another assignment. After this one, we will go to page 16. Open your MA manual to page 33. This assignment is for which faculty again? SNS and SPS and SENS. Page 33, Abi. So it's only SNS and SPS. So others, you can follow me. Why those that have the assignment, follow me specially. Now, is it question 1 and 2 or just question 1? Question 1, Abi. Now it is draw a line AB 60 mm long and bisect it. Okay. If you have a road set, please raise it up. If you have a road set or a mass set or anything set, please raise it up.
This MED is with millimeter, not centimeter. So 60 millimeter is 6 centimeter. 10 millimeter is 1 centimeter. Do you understand? Do you understand? 60 millimeter. There's no millimeter or ruler. It's centimeter that you measure. 60 millimeter means 6 centimeter. So 100 millimeter means 10 centimeter. 10 millimeter means 6 centimeter. Hope you get me.
So please take out your compass. Additional. So please, now, this is our 30 block, Abi. We are starting. Okay, now this is it. There is something later on as we go, as we continue in ME. ME is the gradual process life. The more we go, the more it gets stressful. Now, when you want to draw, like you want to make an ME diagram, start from here. Do you understand? Start from here. Now, take your ruler and draw a line of 6 centimeters from here to here. Do you know why I say you should start from here? Some people want to start from here. You are having multiple assignments on just one ME paper. So we have to manage the paper as possible. Do you understand? So please start from here. Draw a straight line of line AB of 6 centimeters. Draw a straight line of 6 centimeters. Then on the first part you write A. On the second part you write D. Are you with me? Wait. Schedule, it is question 1 on page 33. It is draw a straight line of 60 millimeters long and bisect it. I asked some people were given 90 millimeters. Is that true? SOC, that's a question. Someone from SOC to come. Someone from SOC, please come. and slit. Come. I think there's an assignment here. Draw a line 90 and another line 90 millimeter. And another line of 80 millimeter perpendicular to it. Abi, that one is another different question. Do you understand? This is another different question. This one we are not drawing an exact perpendicular line. We are just to bisect it. Do you understand? So please, on this side of your graph, draw 6 centimeter line. Then on the right hand side, you write A. On the left hand side, you write B. Very fast. Are we done? Are we done with the line 60 centimeter? 60 millimeter, 6 centimeter. Are we done? Now, to bisect it is very, very simple. Come out with your compass. Can I get the compass? I'll come here. Okay. Hello, this is the compass, right? What is this? Divider. This is the compass, right? Now, we are asked to bisect the line of 60 millimeter. The first thing you have to do is make sure the length of your compass is more than 60 millimeter. Sorry, it's more than the half of 60 millimeter. What is the half of 60 millimeter? 30 abi. So now, there's a way you measure the length of your compass. Now, on your ruler, put this point, this one, on 0. Then extend this to 4. Do you understand me? Put this point, like you do to shoot yourself, blood will come out. So use that point, put it on 0, then the point with the pencil, extend it to length 40. Do you have it already? You have it already, Abi? Hello everyone, are you all with me? As I said, the other point of our compass that is with a pin, place it on 0. Then the other point that is with a pencil, extend it to length 40. Do we have it already? This is my own 40. Now, I ask you guys to draw a straight line of line 80 and B. Then the first side, you write A, the second line, you write B. Now, on line B, put that pin on DP, then draw a line. Please, just once. The moment you make it twice, it has got to double line. And double line is highly restricted in MBE. Do you understand? Don't draw it once. Don't return it. When you are returning it, it is going to extend or reduce. Then it's going to be creating double lines. Do you understand? So just draw a straight line once. Then go to your second side. We used this side earlier, Abi. Come to this side. Draw it again. Now we are going to notice that something like an arc is forming, like this and like this. Okay, I am going to start again. Please stop whatever you are doing, please. Look at me. Now, we are asked to draw a line of 60 millimeters and bisect it. Abi. Now, take your ruler and measure line 60 millimeters, which is 6 centimeters. Have you drawn it? Please, I want a yes or no. Have you drawn it? Have you drawn it? Okay, now, take your compass. You know, we want to bisect a specific line, right? And when you want to bisect, make sure the length of your compass is longer than 50 centimeters of the line. What is 50 centimeters or 60 millimeters? Is 30 abi. So we need it to be longer than 30 centimeters abi. Then we decide to use 40 centimeters. Now, put this pin on one specific spot on your compass. Extend it to 40 centimeters. Do you have that already? How about this? Do you understand? Do you have your 40 centimeters? Yes or no? Yes, Abi. Now, on the first line here, you know, I told you guys to label your line. The first angle A and the second angle B. Now, put your pin on B, draw a line, draw an arc, something like this. You go to start from the ground and end at the top, not a circle. Not a circle. Do you understand? Draw an arc. Now, bring your pin to the second side. You know, for example, we used A earlier. You know, we have A and B now. So, for example, we used A earlier. Now, bring your pin to B, draw an arc. You guys are going to be seeing something like this. Abi, this is what you are saying, Abi. Yes or no? If you are not seeing what I did here, that means you did not use 40 centimeters. Or you want to use anything that is lesser than 30 centimeters. Do you know the importance of using something that is higher than 30 centimeters? Let me explain. Do you know that this is 60 Abi? If we use 30, it is going to be here. Then we come here and use 30 again. It is going to be here. So we cannot get the correct angle of bisection. Do you understand? So now, for what is here, put a straight line that is going to pass through this X here and this X here. To confirm if what you need is correct, from here to here should be 30, and from here to here should be 30. Check it.
Who did I collect this from?
Some of you did this. You did not bring it down. You only did something like this. Yes, you can do that. But make sure when you are doing this small one here, you are also doing this small one here. Then when you are can also bisect this. Then it is the same thing as this. But to be on the safer side, and from the question, draw a line 60mm and bisect it. Then you are meant to use this and this. That line is going to pass through the line. It is going to pass through the line. Do you understand? People, do you understand? Or anything is going wrongly? Tell anyone that you are sitting around to explain to you.
Compulsory write down that that check by Professor R. Something. That's his name. Eh?
Go to our YouTube channel, you find everything there. Oba. They learn new things for you. How they learn new things? It's not ever even.
Yes. How do you write the name? Is it at the front of the name or right the original name?
What do you say?
Name column
Yes, dot.
or is it like this?
Add column. You write name with column. Where is your manual? What the column is? Like lecturer. I won't be on the joy or your about to do that. Oh, I know YouTube. Legacy by Gabriel. Have fun now. Eh? What do you say? Oh, yeah, now. Yeah, now.
Record my work again. Thank you.
Carry your hand.
A ní pé kí n gbójú òun sí kò sí ní gbójú sí kámẹ́rà. Ẹ tún wò báyìí. Search for Legacy by Gabriel. This thing go hit my head today. Because Ọlọ́run àgbọ̀, I can beat you.
You understand, Abi? SOC. Now, I am going to draw what you have to draw. Then explain. Okay. SOC, can we take a look at this? Firstly, we have to draw a line of 90 millimeters from here to here. SOC, this is your own assignment too. We have to draw a line of 90 millimeters. That is line AP. It's going to be from here to here, 90 millimeters. Then our compass, you know, the last time what we did was 60 millimeters. Then you know when we want to bisect, we have to make our compass longer than 50% of the initial length, Abi. You know, we all know this is 90 millimeters. The 50% of 90 millimeters is 45, Abi. Now, we are going to use 50 millimeters for our compass. Now, take your compass, measure a length of 50 millimeters, put it here, bisect up, bisect down. You know, this is different from this. You bisect, then you come here, you bisect, then you make sure these two lines touching each other like this. It's touching like this, then this is touching like this, and also touching like this. Then you are going to draw a straight line. And make sure, you know, we have to draw a perpendicular line of 80 millimeters. Then when you put your ruler here, you make sure this point here, you draw 40 up and you draw 40 down. It's not that I want to draw it differently. You must make sure it is like this. You know, this is 80 Abi. So it is going to be like then This will be C and this will be D. Do we understand? As you come again, Abi. Okay, listen to me. Let me read the question. Please, anybody from LOC, read the question. Anybody from SOC, please read the question. Read it. Read it. Read it. This is for SNS. No, this is for SOC and split. It is not for SNS and SPS. We are done with SPS and SNS only. We are not done with the total assignment too. But this is specially for SOC and split. Since when you giving the same assignment, I doubt. Okay, now SOC and split. Follow me. Draw a horizontal line of 90 mm. Bisect the line and draw a perpendicular line of 80 mm. Are you with me? He said, draw a horizontal line of 90 mm. Bisect the line and draw a perpendicular line of 80 mm. Okay, now, do we understand the word perpendicular here? What they meant about perpendicular is that the straight line we are drawing like this is the perpendicular line. See, it is exact same process we use for SLS. But do you know what the difference is? The difference is that SLS code, we do not care about the perpendicular length. But SOC and split, you were given a specific perpendicular length which must not be more than 80 mm, not lesser and not higher. Exactly 80 mm. SLS people, you are going to notice that we don't care about the length. All we have to do is just bisect it. If you like, use 1 million. Just bisect it. Why SOC and split? You have a specific length that you have to use, which is 80 mm. I guess every one of you were with me when I was explaining this. Now, to make your diagram very neat, since we have a specific length that we have to use, when we are bisecting, you are not going to be doing it from year to year. You do cut here down. Do you understand? You are not going to be drawing this straight. You draw, you draw. Then you come to the second side, you draw, you draw. Do you understand me? Then when you want to draw the straight line that you use to bisect it, make sure the straight line is 80 mm. And when you are drawing the 80 mm, you know that 60 will be up, 20 will be down low. 40 up, 40 down. Which the middle must be 40 millimeter, which is 4 centimeter. Is that clear? So we need 10 minutes. Okay, let me sketch it. Do you understand? Now, this is like 90 millimeter B, A and B. You also follow me, you understand. It's very, very simple. Then, you know, your compass, the length of your compass has to be higher than 50% of the length of the line, Abi. 50% of 90 is 45. Now, to have a neat simple, let us use 50. Do you know the reason why I'm not using 55? Is that we are not doing it now. We just do small up, small down, small down. So let us say we are using, now, we want to use 55 Abi. Okay, let us use 50. Now, you put the pin on your corner at B. bicep up, you bicep down. Do you understand? Then you come here again. 50 abi, you bicep up, you bicep down. Do you understand? Now,
please, all your assignments in one paper. Use another paper for that assignment. If you are giving 3 assignments, you do on one paper. Do you understand?
now we have to draw a perpendicular line of 80 millimeter abi. Now, this is the x abi. All we have to do is draw a line of 80 millimeter. We all know what I did here is bigger than that. So me, I'm going to be using one. What is the 50% of 120? 60 abi. Then you make sure the 60 is on this line. It is on this line. You understand? Then you draw a straight line. Do you understand? So you notice that this place is going to be 60. This place is also going to be 60. This is going to be. Do you understand? Do you understand? No. Do you understand? You people that are ready to see, you are winding me happy. SOT, do you understand? Yes. So, in the next 10 minutes, we are going to come for the next assignment. Please finish this now. The next assignment is page 16. Page 16, where we have to draw, we have to create electric stuff, Abby. In 10 minutes, what's that? Time. Forward. This is 358. Exactly 4:10. We are going to start the next assignment. Pay attention on me.
So, draw a long straight line. That doesn't have any of it. Just listen to me. You get it. Listen to me very well. I don't have good voice now, please. Just listen to me. Can you hear me at the back? Can you hear me very well now? Okay. Draw a straight line. Don't measure anything. It's a thick line. Just draw a straight line like this. Have you done that? Don't measure it. Draw it. Don't measure it. So draw a straight line again. 10 millimeter, 1 centimeter like that. Just have you done that? 10 millimeter. Draw a straight line like that. You should be accurate with this one. So come to the front here. Measure 0.2 millimeter. Up, down. Do you get it now? So do that same thing for down here. Measure, this one is automatically one line. Continue with measure 10 millimeter here. Can you hear me at the back? It's simple, just listen to it. Measure, just draw a thick line straight. Measure 10mm here. Are you with me? Are you with me? For no centimeter, no centimeter. See, don't measure that horizontal line. It's only this vertical line that you measure. Are you with me? This, I'm moving on fast. There's no time again. You cannot see the ball, Abi. Let me continue with this. After you have drawn this one like this, are you with me? Continue. 0.2 thin line, this. 0.2 up, 0.2 down. Are you with me? Are you with me? Hope you have done that. Draw it like that. 0.2 here. So this place will now be what? 6mm inside. The thin line, difference from that first thin line to second thin line will be 6mm. Difference from that first thick line to that second thick line will be 10mm. So you now write, don't write it yet. Just draw it and make sure you calculate. Like I connect everything. Let's move. You can't do that at home. If you start drawing ABC now, time will go. So are you done that one like this? Moving to page 16. Can we move to page 16? Wait. If you are done page 15, calm down. You move to page 16. Sense, you are already page 16, Abi. If I sense, you are already page 16. Just fill your ABC to Z and fill your 0 to 9. Just, if you want to fill it, let me give you an hint. If it's A, are you with me now? You must touch here. You must write the thin line up and the thin line down. Only the thin line. A, B. You must touch the thin line up and the thin line down. C. Are you with me? That's how you draw it. If I sense, you can continue. If I SOC, let me to page 16. SOC, are you still here? Wait, SLS, are you page 16 too? SOC and SLS, you are still here. And SPS. So it's still the same format for something shaped. Are you with me? So for that one, the question says, let me read the question out so I can understand. Letter the alphabet in the capital letter and the figures up to 50. Capital letter A to Z and that figure should up to 1 to 50. You understand me? So you do it in 3 places. Are you with me? You do it in 3 places. The first one is 3mm. Second one is 6mm. And the last one is 10mm. So let me start by 3mm. Do you understand? That's just the question. You don't need to understand. You understand when I draw it. You draw straight line like this. Are you with me? Measure 7 centimeters like this. Yes. Are you measure 7 centimeters? Thick line. Don't draw this line, yo. Don't draw this line, yo. Just measure it. Are you with me? Don't draw this and I'm drawing. It's just the measurement. Can we move on? Are you tired? Okay. Should we continue tomorrow?
We cannot continue tomorrow. Our pastor ni me o. I have to go to church.
If you don't want us to continue tomorrow, just get it right. Are you with me? Measure 7 centimeters down and draw a straight line. 7 centimeters down. Are you done with that one? Seven centimeters. That one does not have measurement. Just draw a straight line, yes. You see that I can calculate A to Z and 1 to 50. If you want to do it, use 2 lines. How can I explain for you? I hope you can all see this board. You can all see this board, right? Just draw a straight line from here to here. This one is for SEMS. If you are not in SEMS, don't draw it as long as this. Still have another thing to draw here. Are you with me? You can just draw from here to here. Draw another one, the same element below it. That too is okay for that 3 millimeter.
Hello everyone. So if I don't know your question, we have 3 millimeter difference, 6 millimeter difference, and 10 millimeter difference, right? Now, this is how it goes. You know when we're doing our border line, we do one thin line at the edge of every thick line, not that thick line. We draw like 1 millimeter up and 1 millimeter down. It is something related to that. Now, you know we were using 1 millimeter then, but now it is not a thin line that we're going to be looking at. The space in the middle of every line, it is going to be thin. The next one is going to be 6. The next one is going to be 10. This is it. You know. So now,
Hello everyone.
can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? So now, look at this line. Can you see this line? On my head here it is 7 centimeters. Abi, on a normal day, the first one I don't do 3 centimeters. Abi, 3 millimeters. Abi. So now, you know it is 7 centimeters now. 7 minus 3. 4 Abi. So now, we are going to draw 4 divided by 2. We draw 2 up. Draw 2 down. Then this is our 3 millimeter. You can see that it is 2 right here. It is 2 right here. On your book, you have to use 10. Then that 10, since you want to get 3 millimeter, 10 minus 3 is what? 7. Then we are going to do even what? 7 minus 7 divided by 2 is what? Then you do 3.5 up. You give a value down. Then the mean is going to be exactly 3 millimeter. Do you understand? Okay. Okay. Hello everyone. Now, you know we are asked to write 1 to 50. We were told to write 1 to 50. Question 1. Well, we are going to recreate 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter, and 10 centimeter. Now, that 3 centimeter, for better understanding, I will advise we are going to be using 3 plus 4 is what? 7 centimeter. Now, on your ME board, draw a straight line. Measure 7 centimeter. Draw a straight line under it. Oh yeah, very fast. Are you with me at the back? Are you with me? Okay, now, on your ME board, draw a straight line. Measure 7 centimeter under. Sorry, it is 7 millimeter, which is 0.7 centimeter. Do you understand? It's 0.7 centimeter. Draw it under. Everyone, are we done with that? You don't understand that, You know, at the beginning of this tutorial, I explained the difference between millimeter and centimeter. Do you know that 3 centimeter, 3 millimeter is 0.3 centimeter? Now, that is 0.3 centimeter. Can you draw a line that will be 20 centimeter long and 0.3 centimeter wide? Can you do that for me? This is what I mean. Look at me. This line will be 20 centimeter. Another line here. Then the space here. Are you all seeing me? The space here will be 0.3 centimeter, which is 3 millimeter. Do you understand me now? But yeah, everyone do that for me.
How you do that? Yeah,